Hi guys, Mike from Mike and Mark's 4x4 here. I've just pulled over. I just want to show you the difference between my normal headlights and the Stedi Type X Pro. So that's normal low beam, so they're with the LLA light upgrade, so they're pretty good, much better than the normal bulbs. But then that's with the Stedi Type X Pros. It is like turning night into day. Absolutely unbelievable. Really happy with them. Just going to do a little bit of adjustment. They're just pointing down a tiny bit, but otherwise it is a massive difference. So yeah, Type X Pros, just got an install video coming up in the next day or so watch out for that. Thanks.